Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH. So Samsung has announced a bunch of new smartphones today, and the most notable one is the Galaxy A80, which has a true full screen display with no notches or holes, yet uses an ingenious method to allow for a front camera using a rotating and sliding mechanism. So I'm going to let you watch the launch event for the Samsung Galaxy A80 in 5 minutes and discover all its features. Now this phone also happens to have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so let's watch the event and discover everything.
Okay. This is A80, this is A70. Thank you. Going to my pocket.
Experiences are no longer shared with text or photos alone, but enriched with live stories, GIFs, stickers, memes, and videos. And this inspired us to build a device unlike any other, the Galaxy A80. As the first Galaxy device with a full screen design, the A80 offers the perfect canvas for you to explore. No front-facing camera notch, the new Infinity display is a screen that is all screen. With absolutely no distractions, the new Infinity display lets you enjoy every vibrant pixel of every video, picture, and story. Because the display is optimized to handle multitasking, you can watch YouTube and chat with your friends at the same time. The new Infinity display has a pristine, sleek design, but there is in fact a lot going on underneath it. Our on-screen fingerprint unlock technology is fused right into the glass so that you can keep your phone safe. And when you are taking a call, you can hear your friend through the display. Now with all these components embedded into the screen, we reduce the bezels significantly. Since the Galaxy A80 is all screen from edge to edge, we had to find a way for you to still easily take selfies. But what we created is not just another selfie camera. The Galaxy A80 comes with a triple camera, which includes the 3D depth, main, and ultra-wide camera. And normally, the cameras on the back are more powerful than the front-facing cameras. But now, check this out. Cool, right? This rotating camera technology is what enabled us to create the new Infinity display. Isn't this amazing? With the rotating camera, we're not only giving you clearer and better selfies, we are enabling you to shoot epic on both sides. Now, you can create high-quality live streams and videos with the camera on the front and the back of the device, which means you can even take ultra-wide selfies so you can capture more of what you see. But that's not all. To help you create and discover more, the Galaxy A80 lets you interact live with your surroundings as well. And the secret to this lies in the 3D depth camera. We introduced this technology with the Galaxy S10 5G, and now we've brought it to the A80. What it can do is simply astonishing. Here's how it works. Let's say you are redecorating your room. You can simply use Quick Measure to check where to hang your new decorations. Not only does it help you easily measure physical objects and spaces, you can also get a better idea of what the room will look like before you actually start to redecorate. The Galaxy A80 also lets you highlight the things that matter most with live focus videos and photos. So just like what you see in the movies, live focus videos transform your experiences into dramatic stories worth sharing. That's exactly what the Galaxy A80's intelligent battery can do. It adapts to your routine and automatically saves power to make sure you can get through your day. The Galaxy A80 also comes with Intelligent Performance Enhancer, which learns how you use the phone, predicts what apps you will open, and optimizes its performance. The Galaxy A80 will launch on May 29th, and we can't wait to see what you will create with the device.